This video is about adding autocomplete to a drop-down menu in Django, and this menu is populated from a database. I have here a very basic Django project. It has only one app, cities, and it renders an index template. Index template uses Bootstrap. So let's create a city model and populate the database. I need the models py file, and here I'm creating a new class city, and it has the name field. Let's make migrations and migrate the database. Now let's populate the database with some cities. Let's import the city model. I need a list of names. And then I want to create a list of city objects. So let's use list comprehensions objects. I'm creating a city object. Name will get the city element for each city in cities list. And to save all objects to the database, I want to use the bulk create method of the model manager. So city objects. That's it. And now the view py. The index view will get all cities from the database and pass them into the template. So let's import the city model from .models. Dot means the current folder. Let's get all cities and let's return them into the template. Cities will get the cities as the value. That's it with the view, and the last step is the template. So let's open it. Here I have to create an input field. Its last attribute will have the city's value. Let's say it will have the placeholder. And Bootstrap CSS class will be form control. And the main ingredient is a Datalist tag here. Datalist allow us to create a group of options that can be accessed and auto-completed from within an input tag. The Datalist tag should have an ID with the same value that I used for the last attribute of the input tag, input field. So it's cities. The value of the last attribute of the input tag and the value of the ID attribute of the Datalist tag should be the same. And inside the Datalist, I am using a for loop to populate options for each city in cities. And then I am creating an option tag. And the value of its value attribute should be the city name. Let's test it. It suggests to choose from. So, if you like this simple autocomplete Django tutorial about autocomplete drop-down menu, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.